Hi everyone, on this video I'm going to present you a poster that I made about the evaluation of natural pigments for dye-sensitized solar cells. But what is this? Recently, concerns regarding energy generation and carbon reduction have become more pressing. In the context of such concerns, solar cells have the advantages of green power generation and environmental friendliness. However, traditional solar cells are manufactured from silicon materials which require expensive equipment and facilities. Thus, researchers have investigated dye-sensitized solar cells, DSSC, as an alternative type of solar cell. DSSC manufacturing uses comparatively inexpensive methods and materials. So in this work, the fabrication of prototype DSSC with the structure shown in the figure 1 is presented. So we can see the conventional structure of the DSSC in the figure 1, but we have here more photos. The A, B, and C photographs are the Mexican pitaya plant and the pitaya fruit. On letter D, we have the pitayas of different colors selected, which were yellow, red, and purple. And letter A, we have the pigment obtained by smashing and grating pitayas. And the last one, the last photo, are the different pigments concentrations in solvent. So, on figure 1, we have the experimental process for the fabrication of the SSC. So, the pitaya pigment was extracted from the fruit and subsequently dyed in ethanol. Pipetting was used at the deposition technique, and the performance of the DSSCs was evaluated for different pigments concentrations. The cells were built and indicated in the process shown in figure 2. So we can see here the electrical characterization. So the figure 5 shows the curves of the SSCs sensitized with different concentrations of natural pigment. So what were the results? The structural and morphological characterization. On figure 3, we could see the cross-section of a photoelectrode. So it's like the image 1, like the figure 1, but now like shown in a different way with the results. So the conclusions were that the best DSSC was sensitized with purple pitaya pigment 50%, in ethanol 50%, and efficiency of 0.94% was obtained. Other pigments obtained were from yellow and red pitayas in different concentrations. An efficiency of only 0.063% was obtained on a DSSC synthesized with red pitaya in 50% ethanol. So I hope you liked this presentation.